Welcome to our project, LabNotes. LabNotes is a transformative and exciting student organization system created with the tech-savvy student in mind. It revolutionizes student success by implementing agile principles in an easy-to-use platform. Although it was created with the bootcamp student in mind, its utility extends to anyone that has the drive to make goals and track them. The platform is simple enough to use on the first approach, but evolves upon use to meet the changing needs of the advancing user. So on this first landing page, a user will be able to create an account on LabNotes. Here they fill out their full name, email, and password. Now creating or logging in will bring you to your own account page. So if you look on the upper right of the nav bar, the user's icon works as a drop-down menu, which gives the user an option to check out their profile settings or log out of their account. By clicking profile settings, the user can see their profile data and make edits. Editing opens a modal where the user can upload a personal photo and make any necessary changes to their name or email. This should then update the user's profile information. The user can then log out, and whenever they sign in again, can pick up where they left off.
Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm introducing the books page, which is where the user begins the application experience. The app is set up to organize your goals. So right here, my books, the books that we're referring to are these larger long-term goals that we're going to try to achieve. So if we go to create a new book, we'll see that we can include a goal title. Let's say daily meditation. Then for the description, 10 minutes daily. And we'll pick a start date and an end date. And then you can pick a color, and by picking a color, you can also organize your different goals into categories that you could set for yourself. Here you can see that the goals show up. We could also edit a goal or a book. Let's say 5 minutes daily. Now we're going to delete it. We accomplished it and we're going to delete it now. Great. And so now we're going to go into build an app. So this is where we go into the day, those days that we set aside to work on this. Now we can go to each individual day.
This is our individual day page. And with it, you can see that it displays 3 columns. And each one we can cycle through to each individual day. And they'll all have the option to create different columns.
As you can see, there's the 3. As you can see, there's the 3 columns of the do, doing, done, and you can also create a new column if you really need it. We can do resources, like a resource column when you're in a group project. You can edit a column like done. You can edit it to in progress. And then you can also delete that same column that you created, or delete any other ones.
Okay, so after creating columns, we can create cards to help us keep track of our goal. So I can create a card on the to-do column and say finish profile page. And I can choose a time that I want to be done with this task. And I can make notes. For example, work for an hour. Okay, so the card will be there. We can also edit the card and say work for 2 hours. And we can also delete it.
So we are the part-time web development course cohort at DevPoint Labs. And this is our About Us page with the 5 of us who worked on this project. My name is Cameron Lund. I'm an aspiring software developer and entrepreneur. I'm really hoping to take this coding into my future and use it to develop wherever I can.
I'm Leticia Fernandes. I'm 19, and when I started college, I took a programming class and I really loved it. So I decided to pursue this career, and I'm now doing web design and development.
And I'm Steph Mahnke. I teach digital and cultural rhetorics, and I am using web development to help nonprofits create digital cultural heritage sites.
I'm Anthony Payton. I'm a 20-year-old student that loves learning and loves programming, and overall just loves the community that programming offers. And I'm looking to further my pursuit in my career of programming on websites. Yeah, that's me.
Hi, my name is Katie Secrest, and I started coding during COVID with my kids. I have a background in finance and in law, and I've liked trying to come up with ideas to use software to aid entrepreneurs, both legal and otherwise, and create solutions to create broader access to justice within the legal community as well.